Bula Bros family, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we will be having another mukbang video. And as you can see, we have a new friend with us. So everybody, if you are ready, let's go. Okay. Begin. How is it?
So good.
So good. I want more. Is it spicy for you?
Too good.
Too good. Wow.
It's spicy, but not too spicy. Eh? Just right.
It's just right. Like, even if you don't like spicy food, you shouldn't worry because this is okay.
Ooh.
What about you, Emma? Like, do you like spicy food?
Not really, but
This is okay.
yes.
See?
Ooh. You know what? Apart from all the noodles I've eaten, this is one of the best.
I know, right? Man, don't guys your favorite chow noodles?
No.
It's too delicious. I can't speak too much. Please have some more.
You have the rest.
Thank you for that. What's any left?
Really goes together with Coke, eh?
Ta-da! Oh my god. So, any feedback?
So yeah, this is my first time trying this, and it's really delicious. I highly recommend it.
Okay, guys. So, that was from our first timer. So, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please make sure to do so and give us a like. And if you'd like to join us in our next mukbang, please do leave a comment down below. So, everyone, until the next time, bye.
Bye.